Hi, I am Alex Paldon Jr., 26 years old from the Philippines. I'm a freelance graphic designer and a video editor. I'm in my 2 years already in the freelancing industry where I started in the year 2023. I work with several clients on Upwork, OnlineJob.ph, and virtual staff platforms. When I started freelancing, I was able to attain the social media management skills which it requires the skills that I have already, the graphic designing and the video editing. I have experience working as a video editor for an e-commerce and dropshipping businesses such as Hoka Shisha, Two Pillars and Dr. Krieger based in USA. The Two Pillars and Dr. Krieger owned by one person and they sell different kind of stuff on Amazon and Etsy. And I work for a dropshipping business based in France, which I do the social media management. I do the graphic designing, the video editing, and I manage different kind of social media account, the Instagram, the Pinterest, the Thread, the Twitter, and the Facebook. Thank you for considering my application and looking forward to working with you soon. Yeah. Bye bye.